Chronopharmacology. Chrono means time and pharmacology means pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of the drug. So, the study of pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics of the drug with respect to time is called chronopharmacology. So, it is basically deals with the biological rhythm. Biological rhythm refers to 24 hours sleep-wake cycle. So, chronopharmacokinetics means study of change of absorption, distribution, and metabolism and elimination based on the time of administration of the drug. So absorption may be influenced by gastric. So this in kinetics we study like absorptions can be altered by gastric acidity, GIT blood flow. Note that the metabolism of the drug by the enzyme altered by the circadian rhythm, as we know. Now pharmacodynamics factor is like study of how the effect of drug that are modified based on time at which they are administered. So chronotherapeutics is application of circadian rhythm varies to the drug administration or matching the time of drug administration to the circadian rhythm to obtain the better effect of drug. So the effect of circadian rhythm, for example, in morning, as we can see, there is high level of testosterone, aldosterone, and corticosteroid, like basically the adrenaline, non-adrenaline level. Yeah, so it is seen that at the time where the hormones are already at peak and releasing, so it's better to give that drug at that time in order to like get a more synergistic effect. So yeah, in morning we'll give this testosterone and aldosterone based medications. At midday we had seen that hematocrit level is high. Hematocrit basically means the ratio between the RBC and the other component of the blood, right, is high, so we get the hematocrit kind of medicine. In evening, highest level of uric acid is seen, and crystals is seen, uric acid is seen, cholesterol, insulin has been seen during the evening. At night, melatonin, prolactin, stimulations and LH are higher during the nights. For example, drug that induce the myocardial infarction and stroke are given at the morning. Applications are the drugs that are given in that duration when the level of hormone is already high. So at night, aspirin is given in order to decrease the platelet levels in the morning, and antihistaminic drugs are also admitted to decrease the allergic response.